All right, so let me tell you, if you ignore your belt, what it can do to your car. So we got this beautiful 2012 5-liter supercharged Range Rover. So this comes with the two different belts. So first, this belt is into the pieces. So we take these pieces out from the bottom crank and it rip off the crank bearing from the front because half of the belt was inside the engine. So it stopped even cranking, but it goes to another place and they try to crank it again, which results we got the another second belt completely weared out from this side. So right now the starter on this thing got burned out. I don't know how. So starter is not working. We free up the belts and the police, it didn't start yet. So we're going to change the starter on this one just to ignore one of the belt on your any of the car. If you got one by any of the technicians, your belt is weared out, take it serious. Now we need to change the starter on this one. We need to work on the front crank seal, which is already weared out because of this belt. And also, after we're gonna start it up, we'll see what's happening exactly with it because the customer, they mentioned there's a couple more cords on the engine. We don't know yet. We need to start it up. So if you guys do have the any of the similar trucks, especially with the superchargers, if you got instructed by a tech, your belt need to get changed, take it serious before it's gonna destroy your starter alternators. So we still need to find out why this belt was broken. Actually, it's not something normally happen. Maybe one of the pulleys or the alternator pulleys got stuck. That's what we need to check. But till now, 4 hours to take this belt out, and the starter, we're going to dig it up. If you have a similar cars, give us a call. On to the next car. We got here beautiful 2019. That's a GLC 300. It came up for a mandatory formatic service. If you guys do have the newer Mercedes, we specialize for formatic services on this one. We only use the Mercedes fluids. So we're going to perform a complete fluid test. This is the transmission one. If you guys do want the transmission, we do it in 2 different ways. The first one is a drain and fill, and the other one is complete take off the pan flush all the way, which is double the price, whatever you get it from a drain and fill. So this car, this customer specifically looking for a complete pan off with a filter and everything on top. We're going to flush it. Also, we're going to do the rear differentials, front differentials, as this car already crossed 100 clicks. So if you have a Mercedes and your car is already crossed up 100 clicks and you forget about the formatic services, your parts are on the way to get breakdown. And the parts on this one's like a rear differential, it's going to cost you somewhere around $6,000. To flush it, it's going to be just $200. So choice is yours. That's what the customer decides. They want to do all bumper to bumper fluid services on this beautiful GLC 300. If you guys do have any of the GLCs, GLE, ML, GLs, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We have a bigger inventory for all OEM Mercedes fluids in stock every time. Any of the services, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. So we got 2 rebuilds at a time. First one, we got this beautiful 2022 Ram 5.7 Hemi. So we already slide the engine inside here. New pistons, new crank, new cam, new lifters, couple of more bunch of things, new water pump, and the new manifold, which is mandatory if you are rebuilding a 5.7 or you're looking to rebuild a 5.7. Make sure you change your both manifolds. They are updated part from the Dodge. That's what we're going to do right now. This thing gonna wrap it probably tomorrow, because motor is already slid in and we're just going to put the rad and bunch of other stuff. That's the first one. The second one we're doing over there, that's a X6 2013. So that one also going to be wrapped up by end of tomorrow. 2 rebuilds in 2 days. If you guys do have any of the similar ones, feel free to give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. We have an inventory for any of the pistons on the BMWs, cranks, cams, eccentric shafts, or DMEs. If you want to do your DME work, electric works on your car, on a BMWs, minis, give us a call. Happy to help you out. On to the next car. This one, we got this beautiful 2020 X3. As you know, commonly famous for oil filter housing. This customer, they got a quote from somewhere else and they just want a second opinion and they walk into the shop and here it is. It's gonna drop it off here. We order the oil filter housing. It's gonna be here around next week, Monday. Today's a Friday. And this Volvo here, 2018, is ready to pick it up by the customer. We got much more rebuilds coming on. We got the Eco Diesel right on the back here. So we're going to rebuild that one. If you guys do have any of the rebuilds pending, or you are thinking not to buy the new car and rebuild your existing one, feel free to give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. Right now, we book for a month, and after that, we can take you in. But before than that, give us an inquiry, book your appointments on time, on to the next car. All right, guys. So before the vacation, this customer, they bring up the car here for a regular checkup because they're going to Montreal. And before they're going to leave, they just want to make sure Americano can inspect the car because they're just going with the family. So we did the oil change on this one. We did the tire swap on this one. The transmission fluid change on this one. Also, we find out the rear brakes, they got toasted. So the customer, they want to make sure the brakes going to be brand new before they're going to leave on the vacation. So if you guys do have any of the plans to go on the vacation and you want inspection from Americano, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. We'll happy to help you out. We'll make sure your car going to be like drivable at least for 10 hours. Like they're going 20 plus hours on the drive, come back. So they want the car to be fit and fine on the road with the family, safe. So any of your car, any of the inspection, give us a call. We'll have to help you out. All right, guys. So you see this X6 from last 4 months on the shop. Finally, we got the parts. And when we take off the top wall cover, everything was water damage. I don't know how. This thing was set down at customer place 2+ years. And it came up almost from 2 hours away from here. And we take it off the coils. It was all built up with a rust inside with the water. Still, there was a lot of water on the pockets of the wall cover. And also, this thing have a timing cords too. We are going to make a rebuild on this one. And also, we are going to change the brakes and the mandatory fluids because the customer, they just want to drive it back to normal. They don't want to sell it. They don't want to do anything. They already like purchased this close to 40K plus taxes back in 2019 and they just love it. So that's the reason we're going to make a rebuild. The customer was patiently waiting for the part from almost 4 months as the DME on this thing got fried. It's not connecting properly to the servo motor, which needs to keep carry the balancing on the timing, specifically on this inline 6 engine. So we are going to work on this and it's going to be hopefully ready for the next week. If you guys do have any of the X6, X5s, X3s, sit down in your driveway and didn't find a German mechanic, don't forget Americano. We'll happy to help you out.
If you like our videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.